Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a new account in NetSuite. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So the first thing I will do is in the menu I will choose List Accounts. So you enter first an account number. If you are using account numbering, enter an account number. They can be alphanumeric with a maximum of 60 characters. So I'll enter one. Then you have the name. You enter a name for these accounts. It appears in the charts of accounts list, on transactions list, and on reports. So I will just call it Bank Ltd. If the use legal name in account accounting preference is enabled, you can enter a legal name. It's not my case here. In that case, it will be up to 400 characters. In some countries, the legal name of the entity is required by law, so please double check that. Then you enter whether it is the sub-account. So if you want this account to be a sub-account of another, you select the parent one here. So the child account must be obviously of the same type as the parent account. And then we here add the type. So you see bank, accounts receivables, fixed assets, payables, etc., etc. So here you would select your account type that you need. You then have the currency. If multiple currencies features enabled, you will have to select the currency here. So I will choose the US dollars. You can have a general rate type and cash flow rate type. So these are the two bottom ones here for exchange values used to value financials. You might have different options showing up based on the type that you use, the enabled features that you have. So please double check these ones depending on your specific configuration. Now, if I look on the right hand side, you see that checkbox revalue open balance for foreign currency transactions. So you check this box if you want to include this account for revaluation. Again, not applicable for certain account types. So now we're going to enter a few additional information. The first thing to do is to like this video to help me making more of them and getting it more popular. So you can enter a description here for the account. I would recommend that you do enter a description because when you start having dozens and dozens of them, it's becoming difficult to differentiate them. You enter a date for the account's opening balance. It defaults to the current date but can be modified later on. Check the summary box to make this a non-posting inactive parent account. Important, this will inactivate the account. So you see I click up and it marks it as inactive. Department, class, location, you are familiar with it, I'm sure by now. So it's to restrict the use of this account to specific department, class, or location. If you are using one word like I am here, then you would also have subsidiaries to make the account available to that subsidiaries and possibly also its children. If you have the multi-book accounting feature, you will also see the accounting books. And here you have showing fixed assets management. It's a custom field created for my account, so it won't be for you. And then you just save it when you are ready. So certain system-generated accounts cannot be inactivated. Be careful about this. Additional fields are available for bank type accounts in edit mode. And if you follow these steps, you can create and manage new accounts in NetSuite effectively. After you've visited Kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.